Did you know that only 32% of Americans maintain a household budget? Yet studies show that people who budget are twice as likely to report no financial worries. Stick around as we dive into some game-changing budgeting tips that can transform your financial health. Welcome to Tip Top Tips. Today, we're unveiling 8 powerful budgeting tips designed to simplify your financial management. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you gain better control over your finances. Budgeting can be a daunting task for many. Common struggles include overspending, where monthly expenses exceed income, leading to debt accumulation. Another challenge is the lack of organization. Without a clear plan, it's easy to lose track of where your money goes. Many people also find it hard to stick to their budgets due to unexpected expenses and lifestyle inflation. These issues can create stress and hinder financial goals, but don't worry, we've got some solutions that can help. Let's dive into our top 8 budgeting tips. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This simple rule helps you prioritize spending and savings effectively. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a job. At the start of each month, plan where every dollar will go. This method ensures that your income minus expenses equals zero, preventing overspending. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. This tip makes saving effortless and ensures you pay yourself first. Use budgeting apps. Apps can track your spending in real time and help you stay organized with minimal effort. Cash envelope system. Withdraw cash for categories like groceries or entertainment and use envelopes to manage spending. Once the cash is gone, no more spending in that category. Regular expense audits. Review your expenses monthly to identify areas where you can cut back, cancel unused subscriptions, and find cheaper alternatives for recurring costs. Set clear financial goals. Define short-term and long-term financial goals. Having clear objectives makes it easier to stick to your budget as you work towards something meaningful. And incorporate buffer funds. Allocate a small percentage of your budget as a buffer for unexpected expenses, reducing the temptation to dip into savings or use credit cards. The most impactful tip: automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers, you remove the temptation to spend money that should be saved. This tip not only builds your savings effortlessly, but also instills discipline in managing finances without constant manual intervention. To recap, we discussed 8 top budgeting tips. The 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, automating savings, using budgeting apps, the cash envelope system, regular expense audits, setting clear financial goals, and incorporating buffer funds. Adopting these strategies can lead to better financial control and peace of mind. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite budgeting tip from today's video, or share any personal tips you have. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more valuable insights, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.